Ades. Ades Foods. Ades Foods is somewhere in the southeast of London. Well, it's a place where you can find most of your African and Caribbean foods. Well, I'm taking the ride now. Let me find out. Is at number 132 Nedanway, London, postcode SE28 OAU. But in this video, you see loads of food items you can find at Carry. Follow me along as I take you into this. You're also going to be met with the first class forms of customer service, with polite, staff giving you welcoming, smiles all the time. As you are purchasing, you're buying food items in the store.
Don't worry. Thank you, sir. Your receipt. Wow, we take your money. We give you Next, please. Next one.
See, you can wash your hands before you go, and the gloves have been given as well for people after washing their hands. And they can continue to maintain social distancing as they enter the premises. When you're buying bread, Abuja, Adobe bread, India bread, anything bread, but I've been told this Abuja one is fast selling. Wow, this is fast selling.
Fast selling.
But yeah, those are like. So it's cool. I'm going to also use Abuja bread as well. So people are actually buying it. Oh, as you just said, Moinmoin will be here, and right now Moinmoin is here. I'm telling you, Ades has launched this another dimension. So you can have your breakfast here, you can have your Moinmoin, and actually freshly made Moinmoin. Oh, I wish you can scent it, you can smell this. So really enticing. Wow. So how much is it going to be like? How much is it?
£1.50.
So actually there will be a rush on this. So the best thing is to quickly grab it as hot as it is now, as people are actually trying to buy. So quickly out. Okay, so I'm going to go and grab myself. Like I said, Moinmoin is just right. I like it.
Yeah. Mama is ready for you to pick. Freshly made.
I tell you what, this is Ades. You find all that you need at Ades. No matter wherever you come from, it pays off whenever you find yourself here. And more importantly, how many did you say we can take?
4 for 5 or £1.50 each.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's a bargain. It's steaming hot. Be careful. Let me give you an advice. Wear some bags. Use it as a glove. One of the bags. White bags next to you. There's some white bags there. Give him a bag, please.
Can I ask you?
Sure.
With this, loads of Moinmoin, freshly made Moinmoin with Abuja bread here at Ades. So you can always come around and help yourself, find something nice, and I find this Moinmoin is 4 for 5 at Ades. More in the park. I tell you what, I find this one, semolina, I really love it. Definitely. I can't do without it. More importantly, I'm looking for something, one meal, look at that. About 10 kilograms of this. Yeah, you got 10 of those more pack here in this one. So I'm going to go for this. I don't know what the price is going to be like, but I really love it. It's a whole meal stuff. I'm taking it out definitely. Maybe I just put in pennies and mojita. Yeah, it's nice. So I'm going to take two. Surely. Yeah. Powder, instant pounded yam. Wow. This is from Lagos. They said Lagos Pando yam. And they have got loads in there. Who knows, it could be really Look like more of a Niger. Wow. With this is elubo. Actually, I thought this young flower, call it elubo issue. Here, the elubo issue is actually more dependable because I've used it in the past. Sorry, I've used it in the past and I realized, I realized this elubo issue is always very good. And I've tried it a couple of many times before. I think it's just fine. Those are fish Jagi bear panla, Jagi it's not just food wholesales they deal with at Ades. They also have varieties of stuff like women things, hair stuff like this, hairdo, so many things as well for beauty care. Quite loads of these different things they deal with in the Ades here. Yeah, I look at fresh breads. Talking about different types of bread: Abuja bread, Agege bread, Angel's bread, golden loaf, and look at that. Also, this one, Heavenly Bakery, is the best selling for now. One of the best.
This one company.
Wow. So, so not only Agege bread now we now have Abuja bread.
Agege can deliver every day. Abuja is like every day fresh, daily fresh.
Daily fresh. You see that? So that's good. So I'm going to, that wise, based on your recommendation, I'm picking this one.
Yes, Abuja. My best seller. Look at the quantity. They bring every day.
Wow. Yeah. So I'm going. Caribbean foods, so they're actually no need to panic. If you're new in the London and you're looking for places where to get rich African foods, there are numerous places where you can find foods, however, but this Ades Cash and Carry is one of the best, right? You can find all that you need when it comes to household and the food stuff, anything you want at Ades, and the prices are very reasonably low prices. They sell things in wholesale, so I'd rather bet you go there and you'll be glad you did. Our store is quite easy to locate. The postcode is SE28OHU, number 13. We hope you enjoyed this clip, and let's have your thoughts and comments
Twitter at kbjojo or Instagram at kbjojo1. Please subscribe to this channel as we tend to give you more informative, entertaining, and educative packages. Please press the subscribe button below. Let's catch up in the next clip.